Hello everyone, so if you want to solve overheating issues on your Xiaomi 14T Pro, first of all, I would recommend you to close the applications which are running in the background. So simply go to this applications menu and press this button, turn them off. The next thing is to clear the cache. Open up your security application, open up your cleanup, press consent and let it do its job. So press cleanup and clean all of the cache. Also, I would recommend you to avoid gaming while charging because this puts a heavy load on processor. Next thing is to disable Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and everything basically which you are not using at the moment, because it's all takes a lot of your battery. However, sometimes you just don't need this, all right? The next good thing to do is to check for updates. So let's go to settings, find your about phone tab and find your system updates. All right, so as we see, I don't have any system updates. All right, so I currently don't have any updates. However, if you have one, I recommend you to always be up to date because new updates bring stability and bug fixes. All right, if you're wearing a phone case, so I recommend you to take it off if your phone is overheating, because sometimes it can be a trap hit. Next thing is to restart your device. So restarting clears temporary files and reduces system load. Hold the power button, right? And simply swipe it down to reboot your phone, right? And last but not least, sometimes the problem still persists and sometimes you have to consider a factory reset, all right? So go to settings, find your about phone tab, scroll down to factory reset, press erase all data and don't forget to backup an important one. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.